All right, y'all, Philly deep back. We in an 09 Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter in it. I figured it's a 2.4 because it felt like a 2.4, but first thing in the morning, I got a state inspection. This inspection came with a little surprise. Customer brought in his own hood latch. That thing is from Honda, right? It's always good when it's from the manufacturer, but it's a hood latch, and I guess they got the cable also. All right. Now it's a good thing that he came in with that, because if he would have came in without it, he probably would have failed the state inspection. Let me get out and show y'all this car real quick. It's an 09, it's a Honda. All right, hold on. He came in for a state inspection and he's from New York. What the hell? All right, I guess I gotta find out if he got his, what? He's supposed to have Pennsylvania tags and a Pennsylvania registration. All right, we gotta confirm this when we get back. More than likely though, he probably still want to get the hood latch done. As y'all can see, I'm not even going to attempt to open it. It's a 2.4 under there, y'all know that already. But while I'm at it, yes, this is a safety hazard. I mean, your hood latch don't work, this thing fly open while you're doing 90 miles an hour on the highway. Yeah, this is definitely a hazard. So he definitely would have failed his inspection, or will fail his inspection. Yeah, man, that's definitely a hazard. Let me get y'all a look around this car real quick. It's a Honda, y'all. I think this is the 8th generation Honda. Yeah, this guy is not gonna be able to get his inspection if he's registered in New York. I gotta figure that out. Here you go, Honda Accord. I know these things run. The inside, little, you know, ain't that good of a condition, but I don't really want to show y'all that. But yeah, y'all, yes, a hood latch is definitely something that can fail your state inspection. It's a long list of safety things that your car can fail for. So just to be aware of that if you don't know. If you don't know, when you're going for your state inspection, you will find out. Yeah, so this being registered in New York threw me off a little bit, because I did not know that, and apparently they didn't know either. So yeah, y'all, yeah, state inspections, we check everything: wiper blades, tires, brakes, headlights, all your lights, anything, suspension, fluids, everything, anything that's a hazard to you driving or you know, with your car, we check all of that. All right. So yeah, that's my job, is to make sure your car is safe while you driving it. So yeah, y'all, it's cold right now, y'all. It's like 10 degrees right now. So we'll get back to the shop and figure out what we're gonna do with this. See if they want to knock out this hood latch and this cable. If I didn't know, like, your hood latch is up here and the cable run all the way in here, you know, down to the latch right here. So I gotta, you know, get all up in there and fucking deal with that shit. But yeah, that should be fun, right? So yeah, man, that's the new car review. If y'all got any cars I wanna check out, I'll come across, I definitely review for y'all. Just let me know in the comments. So yeah, oh my god, it's windy out here. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check y'all on the next one. All right, y'all, I got that 09 Honda. I wanted to show y'all the latch. Just the hood latch. It goes from here, and then the wire went all the way up through here, through the fender, all the way down. So I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, y'all, we in the inside. There's the latch right there. and behind it, you gotta take this latch out, that latch out, and then pull it out from up there. Do the hole and just pull the whole thing out. Easy. Alright, once you get it through that hole right there, route it up through your under your fender and right up through there to your hood. Alright y'all, when y'all taking this cable out, you want to push it out that way, up there through that hole. And when you're putting it back in, you want to bring it back in. Same way. And latch it up. Just like that. Alright y'all, so I got that 09 Honda. I just wanted to recap what I did. First of all, here's the old one right here, but you gotta take this cover off. Then it's the cover going around the latch itself. Then you got 3 bolts, and that thing comes up. And then you got the line itself that runs all the way through here under this panel through the fender. And then let me show you. All right, then you come up under here, the light, and there's a hole right up there, and then the wire runs out, comes down here to your latch, and your 2 connections right here and right here, and that's how you do it. It's as simple as that. Yeah, guys. So I was inside, but I finished outside because they needed a lift for a car, so I didn't need a lift to do this job. So whatever, I came out here, banged it out. But yeah, that's how you do a latch on these Hondas. Pretty simple. Most of them is pretty much the same way, but yeah, and this customer can't get the inspection here because it's still registered in New York, so I don't even know why we entertained that. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all, I gotta show y'all that it worked, right? Totally forgot to do that, so I'm gonna shut it, then pop it open. Pop it open. Philly D did it again, y'all. Show y'all that it opens. All right, y'all. There you go. Like, comment, subscribe. Check you on the next one.